Ho ho! Today we're going to make egg custards. We will need some pastry, a jar of jam, some milk, 2 eggs, an apple, some sugar, some bowls, a chopping board, a whisk, a spoon, a fork, a knife, and a peeler, and finally a sieve, and a nice cup of tea. First, put the eggs in the bowl.
1, 2.
Peel the apple. Cut the apple. Chop the apple. Now we're going to put in 5 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mix them together. Now put in the microwave for 3 minutes. Now we're going to pour in some of the egg. Now we're going to add some milk. And finally, some more sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to use Mr. Whisk to mix it all together. Now we're going to pour it into our sieve thing. We also got some cheeky raisins. Now we're going to put some fruit into the pastry. 1, 2. Maybe a nice mix in. Let's try to put some jam into this one. And some jam into that one. Beauty. Now we're going to carefully pour the egg into the pastry. Now we put them in the oven.